Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an eggplant in the oven. Start by selecting fresh eggplants that are firm and have a shiny skin. After washing and drying them, slice into uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch thick, whether rounds or cubes. A crucial step is salting the eggplant. This process helps draw out excess moisture and reduces bitterness, ensuring a more delicious final product. Let them sit for about 30 minutes. Once your eggplant has rested after salting, pat it completely dry with paper towels to remove all the released moisture. Then, toss the slices or cubes with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, along with your favorite herbs and spices like garlic powder, oregano, and a pinch of black pepper. Arrange the seasoned eggplant in a single layer on a baking sheet, ensuring not to overcrowd it, which allows for even roasting. For that perfect, tender crisp texture, remember to flip your eggplant pieces halfway through the roasting time. This ensures even browning on both sides and consistent cooking. Continue roasting until the eggplant is beautifully golden brown and feels very tender when pierced with a fork. The ideal internal temperature should be around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid overcooking, as this can lead to a mushy and less appealing texture. Your perfectly roasted eggplant is incredibly versatile and ready to enjoy. It makes a fantastic side dish for almost any meal, complementing grilled chicken, fish, or even a hearty pasta. You can also incorporate it into fresh salads, layer it in sandwiches, or use it as a flavorful topping for homemade pizzas. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or basil adds a wonderful finishing touch and brightens the flavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.